Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are looking for a smart display to keep your family organized, you have probably come across Hearth display, Dakboard and Skylight calendar. So while they all help manage the schedules and household planning, each one takes a very different approach. So let's compare all of these three in this video. So Skylight calendar focuses on simplicity. The interface of the calendar is very clean, easy to understand, and it requires very little setup. The Hearth display is designed specifically for the busy families with tools that help manage the routines, responsibilities, and daily household tasks. Dakboard offers most customization. You can build your own dashboard with the calendars, whether photos, to-do lists, or other widgets. For family scheduling, all three devices support the calendar syncing and the shared access. Skylight emphasizes convenience with built-in chore charts and planning tools. Hearth also goes deeper into the family management, helping parents organize the routines, tasks, and responsibilities in one place. Darkboard stands out for flexibility, and you can customize nearly every aspect of the display that makes it suitable for both families and productivity focused users. Now, if you want something that works right away with minimal efforts, you can go with Skylight Calendar. It would be the easiest choice for you. If your main goal is managing a busy household or keeping family members accountable, Hearth Display is the stronger option among these three. But if you enjoy the customization and you want complete control over your dashboard layout, Darkboard offers the most freedom here. So you can choose whichever you want based on your needs. If this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.